liked best about my care at Methodist was how comfortable everyone made me feel. You know, when you have a baby, and especially a C-section, there's some kind of potentially embarrassing things that you have to go through. They were there ready to wait on me and give me whatever I needed, but I didn't feel that there were a lot of people there somehow. They were there ready to help, but I didn't, like, in a very unintrusive way, you know what I mean? I didn't feel like I was in a hospital. The rooms were really nice and warm, felt like you're in a comfortable room with your family, but when you needed something, they were right there ready to provide that for you. Because of the C-section, we stayed at the hospital a little bit longer, and that's where I would say my experience, our experience at Methodist, that's where Methodist really shined, is in all that care and the time we were there
afterwards. The postpartum
nurses
nurses were fabulous.
Yeah.
Absolutely
I mean,
fabulous.
every single one of them, I felt like they just came in like they were my sister, you know, and they just so warm, and, you know, the care was wonderful. I never felt concerned that about the level of care. I knew I was getting everything I needed, but what really made it just all the difference and made me so excited to have that experience at Methodist was how warm everybody was.
The two lactation consultants, Edie and Rhonda, were especially fabulous. Now, you can probably comment on the technical aspects of breastfeeding and how difficult it is, and that doesn't just come naturally sometimes to either the baby or the mother. But their personality and the extra warmth that they brought with the whole thing just was so reassuring. It made you feel like everything's going to be fine, and just stick with it. You'll be okay. I would recommend Methodist to friends and family, and I have. There's no question that we have had a very wonderful experience there, and there's no. I wouldn't think of going elsewhere while we live in this area because of our great experience we've had there with the nurses, with the doctors, everybody.